quick reading for June the 13th to June the 14th, Leo. Your cards are the Nine of Strength, the Chariot, and the Three of Wisdom. Meron ditong openings for this person to wanted to be with you and parang mag-effort ito. Pwedeng mag-commute, just to see you. Meron ding pa-surprise dito si person na siguro instead of kakausapin ka nito online, baka biglain ka nitong magpakita na lang in person. I am also seeing na pwedeng i-invite ka nito sa isang party, event, the Ace of Strength in reverse and the King of Wisdom. Meron pa ditong somewhat pakipot no? Kasi the Ace of Strength in reverse. Pero ito yung pagpapakita ng interest dito sa connection at sa'yo. Pero hindi pa muna ito, kumbaga wala pang pag-amin, no? Ipinapakita pa lang yung I enjoyed your company. So this is your quick reading for June the 13th to June the 14th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.